Back on the Stuart, Del.
Just got to watch here, rip the side out the hammer.
A little bit. As you've probably seen before in the past, in previous videos, this one had a Matilda engine in it and half a hull. Well, we've got most of the hull done. We're just going to try and refit this, fit a Perkins engine in it. We've been waiting for the fuel injector pump to be repaired, and that all seems to work. So this week's going to be just getting that motor in and see if we can get it running in the hull. Yeah. A little bit more.
That's what I was trying to avoid, Mike.
Go forward a bit. Oh! Go forward. Imagine jump.
Where are we going with this? Back down the other way?
I guess so, if it's running.
Water in it.
It's not working, it's not. Oh well, there's a rebuilt injector pump fitted to our Perkins. The next job is to see if she'll fire up without sniff. And then we can fit her back into the back of here. Just lifting this fuel tank up, because at the moment it's just sitting on, holding in with the cap. Got to build build a platform for it to sit on. Just got to get Warren to bend those lips up. We'll weld it all in.
Strong.
Is this going to work, Dal?
Oh yeah, of course it is.
With the
We
new pump?
fixed it. We diagnosed it and fixed it, Nick.
What?
Can you check how much is returning?
That's alright, we can start it as many times as we like now. Return. Maybe it only does it under load. Get rid of the old Matilda engine mount. Don't know. I'll go and put a bit of wood underneath the back. Halfway in. Yeah. What's that front on there then? Because you pulled it forwards. Have you made some engine mounts?
I have. Do the job.
Yeah. Here's the two rear ones we're making for the gearbox end. Oh, here's the rear engine mounts. We'll start off, just mark up some holes to be drilled, then they can all be pulled apart. Got rubber pads there in between. Theory we stick a bolt straight through. And that's off the jack now. Everything seems to be lined up with the gearbox for the prop shaft. Do some marking up.
issued this morning. I've been doing paperwork for VAT. I'm bloody sure that guy gave me a receipt or an invoice.
Try to get some bigger tanks next time.
Oh yeah, this is one of the smaller ones though, isn't it? At least we're not playing with Japanese tanks.
Like welding an old mini.
Yeah.
You want tea, Nick?
Yes, please. Engine out again, so we can clean up, weld around the engine mounts, put some paint in there, throw it back in again.
Yes.
Ready for the refit.
Come down a touch. Hang on. We'll stay at that height until we clear this dipstick. Alright. Come in a bit. Good.
Down a bit.
How the fuck did that clear that then? Huh? I don't know how you managed to clear that. Yeah. Where's something?
If I go down a bit.
Yeah. You'll have to come in a bit. Yeah. Yeah, down there.
Well, that looks pretty in there, don't it? Tighten a few bolts up and away we go. That one wants to go in on its own now. That one's still really tight. I'm just hoping I didn't cross-thread it. Oh well, that's a good sign. Just got to chuck some fuel in our tank and hope it all holds in there. And then this one to here, and we should have contact. Well, mission successful, I'd say. No, it fits nice. But we're just dropping the prop shaft up at the moment, so hopefully we need to get a new UJ, then we can fit this, and next week hopefully we'll get it to move, eh? Oh well, that'll do for this week. Oh well, all good, eh?